Welcome to Roaming with the Rylons, Australia and New Zealand. In this episode, we take an overnight train from Sydney to Melbourne, explore the city, and take a trip along the Great Ocean Road. Melbourne is known for its street art. Be sure to check out Hosier and De Grave streets for the best examples of this. Try the hop-on, hop-off bus for an overview of the city's various neighborhoods to decide what you'd like to see in more detail during your time here. A highlight of our visit was a small van tour along the Great Ocean Road. Built by Anzac soldiers returning from the World Wars, this national monument stretches 151 miles down the coast, making for an extremely scenic ride.
Because I want to tell you where we are now. Now, where we are at the moment is Fairhaven. Now,
Along the way, we stopped in many of the coastal towns, including this one, Lorne.
there would be a cook tent, there would be a gambling tent, there would be a tent with a gramophone in it. So it was like these little villages on the Great Ocean Road.
One of our favorite stops was in Kennett River. Here we got to see wild koalas in the treetops and were treated to up-close encounters with some incredible birds. Another stop we really enjoyed was Mait's Rest. This temperate rainforest is a great place to stretch your legs while admiring the massive trees.
So you chop the branches off and they're very long and thin, so it takes many along the actual coast rather than only ships. But they saw that in the United States that there was great potential for tourism one day.
The main attraction on the tour are the 12 Apostles, limestone pillars that jut out into the Southern Ocean. As you can tell, it was just a little bit windy here, which enhanced the dramatic landscape. Back in Melbourne, we spent half a day wandering around the Queen Victoria Market. Here you can find everything from fresh produce to souvenirs.
$10 large, $9 the medium, 30 pack, some of the size, oversized 6, $5.50 a tray, $5.50 a tray, just exactly, some of them.
The next day was all about books. I'd traveled to Australia primarily to attend the Fictionally Yours Melbourne book signing. It's one of the best events I've attended as an author, so if you like to read and get a chance, you should definitely go. We spent our final day in Melbourne traveling the Yarra River by boat. This is a great way to see a lot in a little amount of time.
Now, all the steelwork is actually built in England and sent over here in pieces. It's an identical replica, all the spans are identical replicas.
It was time to move on to our next destination, New Zealand. We were able to get a great deal on business class seats for the flight there. I hope Mr. Rylon didn't get too used to it though. This video is a brief companion to the full Roaming with the Rylons Australia and New Zealand travel guide by Jayne Rylon. For more information, including cost, detailed itineraries, reviews, and Rylon recommendations, you can buy the guide in ebook or print at any of your favorite book retailers.